Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy ways to save money step by step. Whether you're looking to save for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or just want to have some extra cash on hand, these tips will help you reach your goals. Tip number 1. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is to know where your money is going. Create a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will give you a clear idea of where you can cut back. Tip number 2. Track your expenses. Keep track of your expenses for a month to see where you're spending too much money. This can help you identify areas where you can make cuts. Tip number 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Once you've identified areas where you're spending too much, make a plan to cut back. This could mean cooking at home instead of eating out, or canceling subscriptions you don't use. Tip number 4. Look for deals and discounts. Always be on the lookout for deals and discounts. This could mean using coupons, shopping during sales, or comparing prices before making a purchase. Tip number 5. Save on transportation costs. One way to save money is to cut back on transportation costs. This could mean taking public transportation, carpooling, or biking to work. Tip number 6. Use energy-efficient appliances. Another way to save money is to use energy-efficient appliances. This can help you save money on your energy bills in the long run. Tip number 7. Take on a side hustle. Consider taking on a side hustle to bring in extra money. This could be anything from freelancing to dog walking to selling items online. Tip number 8. Save for the future. Make sure you're saving for the future, whether that's for retirement or a specific goal. This can help you avoid financial stress down the road. Tip number 9. Avoid impulse purchases. Try to avoid impulse purchases and instead think about your purchases before you make them. This can help you make more informed decisions and save money in the long run. Tip number 10. Invest in yourself. Finally, don't forget to invest in yourself. This could mean taking a class or learning a new skill to increase your earning potential. Remember, saving money is all about being mindful of your spending and making conscious decisions. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.